Alright guys, now here's something a little different for you. That's why I call it and more. My sister laughed at me. She said, I like to think you're expanding. Fried bologna, egg and cheese sandwich. This should be, oh, this is one of the most amazing things. Very secret how you do this. Fry the bologna, fry the egg, put the cheese on, put it on bread. Just a little quickie for you. This is my grandson, Walker. He's never too young to learn to cook. The trick to a good fried egg, have you some pig fat in a jar. Walker's getting upset. Yes, I know. Alright. One egg in the pan. A little pepper. A little Celtic sea salt. Don't cook your egg too fast. You can see we got our bologna on. Cheese, bologna. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. Alright, that egg's almost done, y'all. Probably do a spicy, just a little bitty. Don't want to fry it hard. You don't want that old crust on it. Lay that hot egg right on top of there. Cover that up. Secret to a good sandwich. After you make it, it's hot. Let it sit there a minute or so. The heat helps soften the bread. Gonna be perfect.